Okay, so there's been a couple of questions that some people have about my over 10-year-old popcorn. Oh, where's the date? I want to show you guys the date. Let me get to the light here. There you go. I want to see if we can get in there a little bit. I think that it says somewhere around August 2009. That's when it says Best Buy. This is my mom and my dad's house. They're not big popcorn fans. Not exactly sure who bought it. 2009. All right, so it's Orville Redenbacher. Movie theater butter. Here's the package. Looks a little oil soaked. Can't really see it all that well. So the question is, can I turn this on and have it not get in our face? Yeah. The question is, will it pop? Is it rancid or whatever? So here it is. It's over 10 years old. I'm going to open it. Must be childproof. All right. Oh, it's greasy. Oh, it's greasy. Already I'm noticing a very, very foul smell. Best by August 2009. Oh, it smells bad. It smells bad, and now that shit is on my hands. Well, I'm selling the microwave anyway. Let's see, popcorn. Sure. All right, so I'm gonna pop the popcorn. I'm gonna put you guys on pause, let it pop, and we'll take it out. We're gonna see what happens. It's 10-year-old popcorn. Don't go anywhere. Well, popcorn's not ready. It's popping. There's one thing I have to tell you is it smells. I think Ellen, my friend Ellen, I think she might have told me that it might be rancid. My friend Heather was wondering if it would pop. It's definitely popping, but it's... Oh, it smells... It doesn't smell good. I mean, I smell like hints of butter. Alright. Looks like it's starting to slow down here, so I'm going to grab a bowl. One of the last bowls I have left in the house. Sounds like it's just about done. Oh, Jesus. Oh, it doesn't smell good at all. It definitely smells like packaging, you know what I'm saying? Like cardboard, or... It's got a really, really bad taste. So here it is. It's got the date on the pack. Ow! It's got the date before I open it. I'll try to show you guys the date. It says somewhere in there, it says it's Best by August 2009. So holy shit, that's hot. All right. So, oh my God. Oh. Oh, it smells. It smells. All right. Well, it looks all right. Oh God, that's gross. That smells disgusting. It looks okay. Could you see it when I flipped the phone around? I couldn't tell if you saw it. Oh. Oh. Well, I'm going to eat some, see what happens. Oh. It's disgusting.